Happy Valentine's Day! Stay tuned to the end of the video for a special announcement about a Valentine's Day playlist collaboration with one of our favorite channels, Yo-Yo Max 12.
Whether you're catering to a gaggle of starry-eyed kids or just one special someone, this is your moment to go over the top with hearts and flowers. After all, it's Valentine's Day. Every sweetheart knows the best gifts come in small packages. So give all of your beloved guests sweet little cupcakes with a Valentine's surprise inside. Start with a basic white cake batter and fill cupcake liners 1/3 full. Flavor the remaining batter with raspberry candy oil and use food coloring to color 1/3 of the batter pink and 2/3 red. Putting each color batter in a food storage bag. And it's time for the fun part. Cut a corner off the red bag and squeeze about 2 tablespoons of the mixture into the center of each batter-filled liner. Now, use the pink batter and squeeze about 1 tablespoon into the center of the red, and bake the sweet surprises in at 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. When cool, top with fluffy white frosting and pink and red sprinkles. Now for the party. For the kids, build sandwiches with soft fillings like cream cheese and jelly or hazelnut spread and bananas. Then cut out hearts with a big cookie cutter and pile the bites of love on a big platter. Now set out the heart-shaped sandwiches, pink punch, and a bowl of big, beautiful strawberries and let the fun begin. If the Valentine table is set for just 2, a special dinner is in order. Seared steaks topped with blue cheese crumbles are a lovely start to a night full of romance. Set the table with candles and red roses and cue romantic music to set the mood. It's Valentine's Day, so go on, share the love, and these sweet ideas from our hearts to yours.
Looking for more great Valentine's Day sweet treat recipes? Allrecipes and Yo-Yo Max 12 have put together a Valentine's Day playlist that includes recipes from both of our channels. See link in description box for a playlist and click on the images. Make sure you subscribe to both of our channels.